Today we'll install the seatbelt ambient lighting. Let's see what's in the box. Pry tool, power cable, right extension cable, left extension cable, control box, double-sided tape, 2 seatbelt buckle ambient light. These are all the parts inside the box. Step 1. Remove the cover plate. Remove the waterproof seal from the passenger seat position. Remove the triangular trim panel. Remove the retaining clip. Remove the felt trim panel with both hands. Step 2. Insertion of the power-taking needle. Turn off the car's power. Open the black locking clip and pull out the power connector. Remove the power probe and insert it into the socket. Pay close attention to the socket location in the upper right corner. Plug the original vehicle connector back in. Step 3. Connect the module. Plug the other end of the electrode into the control module. Remove the right extension cable and connect it to the control module. Step 4. Hidden wiring. Open the felt panel beneath the passenger seat and route the wiring harness through it. Open the felt panel behind the passenger seat and pull out the wiring harness. Hide the thread inside the felt. Lift the felt near the center of the seat and thread the wire through from the inside. Simultaneously, use your left hand to open the felt beside the metal frame and pull the wire out. Connect to the left extension line. Step 5. Install seatbelt reminder lights. Disassembling the seatbelt ambient lighting system. Thread the string through the bottom slit. Slide the seatbelt ambient light cover over and secure the cap. Plug in the extension cord on the right side. Connect the seatbelt ambient lighting using the same method and plug in the left extension cable connector. That's it. Installation complete. The lighting will also adjust and change in sync with the vehicle's ambient lighting. Seatbelt ambient lighting, safeguarding your safety even in the dark.